Hi, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I'd like to show you how to earn $1,000 per day using Google News. Yeah, that is true. Just $1,000 per day using Google News. This is a free method you can do from anywhere. But before I show you the method, this is Dash from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. So, okay, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 per day from using just Google News. Yeah, so just get back into Google for that. And what do you have to do? I'm going to show you first a step one, which is obviously you have to go to their Google News site. So, how you can achieve? You just type Google News and press enter, and then in the search result, first result that going to show up here is the news.google.com. When you go into their site, this site will show up, and this is a news section of Google. It's like a newspaper. It's like a news site that going to show you all the latest news around the world, around your country, your local news, and they have lots of categories like business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and so on. You have to do some work here. I'm going to show you now that how you can earn money from this. There is a world section, there is a local news section. I am not interested in that. We are going to work on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health category. So if I click on health category, then the health section will come up and it will show some latest health news around the world just going on right now. You see, 7 hour ago, 13 hour ago, 4 hour ago, these are all latest news. They have lots of section here like medicine, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, and so on, fitness, and so on. And all those categories have some really good articles that are published in the less than 24 hour ago. So this is a great chance to earn money from this type of latest articles and works from Google News. Okay, so don't worry, you do not have to. I'm talking about articles here. I do not have to write any articles or anything else. It's just all automated. You have to, if you know English, a little bit English, and that's okay, you can go do these jobs. So let me show you the step two of it, which is if I go over to their nutrition section and scroll down, and I can see some great looking articles here that are really doing well. So let's, for instance, if I click this, not aging enough protein can stop you from keeping muscle while losing fat. So this is a really good topic that people are going to love. This is just 2 days ago they have published it, and if I click this link, and they're going to redirect it to the article site, from that site, from where the article is posted, and you can see that full article here, and it's a very good written article with lots of information about it. So let's move on to the next stage. What are you going to do? I'm going to copy this article, but wait, you can get copyright if you just use copy, and I recommend you use the site like spinbot.com. I'm going to show you that spinbot.com, where you can rewrite these articles and make it 100% unique and copyright free so that you can work it or you can earn money from that article. So for instance, if I click this article from there, let's select this article and select some text. You have to select the whole article. Just for example, I am going to select this portion of it and hit copy and go to spinbot.com and paste it here like this, and I can see that this you can also do some capitalization and ignore section, but that's not important here. All you have to do is fill up that you're not a robot, so that you can proceed and press the go button here, and you can see that they are working in the background, and these article that you have just copied from that site, which that has been rewritten for you, and it's not exactly like that. They have spin it and they have rewritten it already. But obviously this if you want to work well, then you have to do some work here. You just can't copy this and paste it to earn money. You have to some rewriting work to do here, and that is you read it completely. When the spinbot rewrite your article, you just read it, and if you know English, you know how it performed, how is it easy to read, it's human friendly, or it's like bot with lots of grammar error and so on. You can use proofreading software like grammarly.com and so on, that so that you can proofread this article and rewrite it in your own language, and or you just fix all the grammatical error or just change some words here and there so that it looks more natural to anyone. People should read it easily and should you can't just submit articles that are generated by some bots. That not going to work here. So you have to rewrite it a little bit, and then you have to proceed to next step where you can get money from this article submission. So move on to the next page. I am going to show you 3 sites where you can submit these type of articles and earn money, earn a good amount of money from them. But the first site I'm going to show you is eatingwell.com. Eatingwell.com is a blog site that is related to health section. So that is why I have selected a health article, and you can submit that rewritten article to this eatingwell.com and you get paid. So if you move back down to bottom of this website, and they has jobs links here. If you click on jobs link, this page will show up, and if you scroll down, they're going to there is a link where you see writer's guideline here. If you click on writer's guideline, this page will show up like this, and they have briefly explained some of their writing jobs, how you can perform, how you can submit your articles to them, and they have briefly explained it here. And you can see that here the pay rate is $1 per word. This is really awesome. So if you just simply every long professional written article has more than 2000 words. So let's say, for instance, if you submit a 1000 word article, even a 1000 word article can get you $1000. That is really good payment for your work. So let's move on to here. If you have completed the article work and you have written it into your words or software like that, then what you have to do, go their email address. This is their email address, where you have to submit those articles to, and you just log into your email account like Gmail, and then submit your mail to this email address, writing the subject line like article submission, and then in the body you write it what you are written about, what is the subject of your article, and then in the attachment section you submit your article file. That's it. When they are going to review this article, and if they like it, they're going to publish it, and they will going to let you know what is their payment options, and they're going to pay you for that. And they have a vast majority of payment option around the world: PayPal, Payoneer, Square, anything, bank transfer, the way you can get their money. But I prefer PayPal, but you can use any payment options. And then to increase your earning more, I'm going to show you two more sites that you can use to earn much more money. And the second site I'm going to show you is sierraclub.org/Sierra. This is their magazine website, and these website, they are all about some technology, climate, energy, land, water, and these type of topics. So you have to go to google.com, and you can pick technology, science, and these related articles, and pick it and copy that article, and go to spinbot.com and rewrite it, and then rewrite it by yourself, proofread it by yourself, so that it's more like human. And then go over to their Sierra blog, Sierra magazine site, and if you go over to their bottom of section, and here you can see that they have submission guidelines. If you click on it, and this page will show the guidelines for submission to Sierra magazine. And here they have the link guidelines for writers. You click on guidelines for writers, and they are going to show you how, briefly explained, how they're going to accept your articles and why you have to submit it, and they're going to pay you. So here is the email: submission.sierra@sierraclub.org. So when you are ready with your article, you just submit it, send it to this email address, and they're going to review you. And if you are get accepted, if they like your articles, they will let you know and ask for payment, and so on. And move to the third website that I'm going to talk about is daily.jstor.org. This is a really good article site. This is a blog site, and they have a very professional articles every day posted to their site, and you can write for them. So if I scroll down at the bottom, they have a submission guidelines here. If I click on it, this page will show up, and they have also described briefly how you can submit your articles to them, and the procedure of getting accepted. They are asking around 1800 to 2000 words article. This is really awesome. You can do it very quick in 30 minutes to 1 hour max. So just for 2000 words, their payout rate is little less, which is like 31 cent per word. But even that money will adds up. More articles you submit, more article, there is a better chance you get accepted more. And if you combine those three websites, so for the first website, Eating Well, they are paying you $1 per word, which is really great. So if you create some articles daily, like 10 to 20 articles, like even 5 articles, 10 articles. The more you work, there are more opportunity will opens up and more chances that you are getting accepted. So for those 5 to 10 articles daily, even one article get accepted, then you're what you are going to get. You are going to get $1,000 for that and more if you're using 3 websites, and that is a really handsome money for anyone to do. And that is a daily basis earning. So definitely you have to be active, be profound, and be efficient. You have to write regularly to them, and this is not difficult to do, and money will definitely follow you. So this is the method. Let me know in the comment below how you feel about this article submission method. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe below, like this video if you liked it, and move on to next video in the next day. So till then, thanks for watching. See you later.